So how to do this drawing, I just want to show today. Okay, first you are making this, okay, this character drawing. Okay, so first draw this circle. Okay, here make this proper circle like this. Okay, after the circle, just want to understand that what is the actually fact. This is like a ball, okay, and this ball actually you are creating a character. Okay, so we are creating here. Okay, see this one part I can creating over here. Okay, like this circle. Okay, this is a circle you can create over here like this. Okay, so first make a circle and after that do like this, and then you can just create over here just line like this. Okay, fine, and after that you can divide it this part. Okay, like divided this part like this, and here to here you just make it one line more. Okay, and now after that you just create, see here. Okay, just to make it this face. Okay, like this, and after that we just make it over here in this space. You can create like this line. Okay, here to here, just draw this line like this. Okay, so after that so you can create here three lines. Okay, and one line you can make it this line. Okay, this is this line. Okay, this line you can do like this. Fine, so here first make a circle like this. I create a circle. If you see like this how looks it is. Okay, so first make this one. Okay, after that just create over here this line like this. Okay, this is the line, this line coming. So very simple shapes, just using the circle. You must sure the circle should be like a ball. It should be like a ball. Okay, if your circle is wrong, then your drawing also is coming wrong. So make sure this is should be this circle. Okay, fine, and this is add over here, and if you half it and this line after the half of the circle you just create like this. Okay, here, fine. So now here you can create one line like this. Okay, here one line like this. Very simple. I draw it very slowly so you can draw. It's very easy way. Okay, can create a line over here. This is neckline. You can see what necklines over here. Okay, so you can do like the line. Okay, here. Okay, if we do like this and can create like, okay, like this. Only I focus on this part. Okay, how to create this line. Okay, now after that you just create, you just move my camera a little bit down, then you can see this properly. Okay, so here you can go ahead to create this part like this. Okay, this is the eyebrow line. Okay, if you see this human skull, what happened in a human skull, you can see this part. Okay, this part is little off. Okay, we can create this part is little off and then down and then up. Okay, this is part is up, down, then up. So you can create over here same things. Okay, see over here same thing, up, down, and up over here. Okay, so you can create over here down, up, down, and up. Okay, like this. Follow this area, then you can understand that why it gets I make these things. Okay, so create over here line like this. So now after that, here you can see, okay, this line, this is the nose line, okay, and here you can divide it three parts, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Okay, here you can just put this line like this, okay, and here's this is African characters. Nose is a little bit of more bigger, so you can create like this. Okay, here you can do line fine. Now here I'm creating this second part. This is a way eyebrow line, and here another eyebrow line. So here you can create like this is eyebrow line. Okay, I can create one line over here and create here another eyebrow line over here. Okay, so now I can create here one line for eyes. So make it maintain the proportion. You can create here one eyes like this. Okay, like this. Okay, this is eyeball, this part here. A same proportion we can maintain over here. Okay, like this. Here some top part. This is up. This part little up. This is eyebrow part. You can see it's little up. Okay, so you can create here also little up. This line we can use. Okay, so now you can create over here nose here. Okay, eyes part, very simple, like this. Okay, how to create is very easy way to, it's a circle kind of. Okay, let's make it like a circle. Okay, like this. This part is a eyebrow part. Okay, so now I can create over here, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. You can create like this, and now this line and this line almost try to the maintain the same. Okay, eyes line and this line. Okay, so create over here. Okay, so now this line, this circle right here, this is the position of ear. You can create here ear like this. Okay, so you can create the ear parts over here. So if you maintain this proportion, and here you can create this. Okay, after that, but you can do this later on. You can create first this part. Okay, so now here you can create this nose and the mouth. So here you can divide it 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So here, okay, this is the mouth part, so you can create the mouth part like this. Okay, how easily you can draw this human face, okay, in different angle. So I show you, it is quite easy. Okay, just make it over here line like this. You can create over here. Okay, how to make exact character. Okay, it is a little bit of down. You can make it down line like this. Here little shadow, this part also shadow. I can use some shadow things. Okay, like this. Here you can see this area. So on African characters, this mouth part is a little bigger. Like this is, we can create like this part. It's a little bigger. The especially the lower lips. Okay, and then make it like this. How it's look. This is okay here. Now This part is a dark part, so it's coming line this, it is a dark part, okay, here. And now just join this. How it becomes, looks like a African character. I choose this African man because I hope this is a very, you understand that it is very easy, you can explain. Okay, here I can create this like this here. Okay, so you can make it little darker because this is shadow. If you see this one, this part is shadow. Okay, this part is coming shadow, so you can put shadow over here. Okay, like this. Okay, you can keep shadow. Now here, this is the line, this line for the, ear part. So if you make this circle, okay, this is the ear part. So I make it over here. Okay, this is hair part. You can create here like this. Okay, create here like this, like this. Okay, so just this part I can put this red. I just use red color because to understand that this is the extra part. Okay, over here, fine. So here I can create a line like this, straight line. Here I can put the shadow. Okay, here shadow. Here I can put the shadow like this. Okay, this part also shadow. So how easy you can draw the character design as a face, how to maintain the proportion and perspective. Okay, so it is a very easy way to learn this. Okay, if you see here some light and shadow, this part. Okay, so this part, this is up and this is down, so this part little darker because this is down, right? So you can create here some dark shadow, so it comes more depth. Okay, so see, if you follow this way and see here, why is it dark over here? Because see this line, okay, this skull, this is up and this is down, so here little dark pose is coming like this dark color. Okay, shadow. You can randomly, you can do the rapid stroke for that. Okay, so now this part's totally dark, so you can put dark randomly over here. So understand that depth, this and this depth. Okay, if you want to make, so you should do more dark over here. This part's basically dark. I choose this photo because you understand the light and shades. Okay, this photography, it's help you to create the light and shade. This is the top part. You see, this is the nose part. Okay, so here in top, so that's why this part you can put dark like this. Okay, and this part also, see, opposite of light. The source of light is coming from here, this side, the source of light. Okay, so source of light coming from here, so this part exactly light and the opposite part is dark. Okay, so I can put dark shade over here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so how to create African character portrait? Basically this techniques, okay, this is for all character, all human head. If you maintain this, you can create the same process. I can make it not focus on the elements others, I just focus on the how to create the basic shape. Okay, this is, okay, this shapes. Okay, how to create exact perfect. Okay, so today that much I want to explain how to create character portrait in 3/4 angle. I hope all of you understand. I make this kind of video again and again. Okay, so if you have any query and questions, you can uh, text me in text box or in YouTube. Okay, so I can send again and again the video. I can make again and again video for all of you guys. So thank you so much for this watching this video. I'm making only for you guys to help how to create the way of you know the professional way to create the character design, whatever we are learn in art college. Okay, I try to show up over here, and if it is help, please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please press like button. So I try to draw again and again more and more character, more and more drawing, share my experience. Uh, Myself, Tapan Roy, I'm working Disney Baizu in Bangalore, and as a senior lecturer, I'm working in Bangalore, Chennai. It's a senior lecturer in ICAT College. So this is my profession, and I love to create, to share my experience to all of you. Okay, this is, thank you so much. I hope it's enjoy.